The southern tier is currently in the middle of a historic heat wave. The near record breaking weather led to the winter market being closed down for today's usual activities. To combat the heat, the city of Elmira has placed splash pads around the city, in parks such as Hawthorne, Grove, and Elridge, in hope of keeping young citizens around the town cool. But during the high heat, the city announced that one of the splash pads in Brand Park will be out of order and under repair. Here at Elmira High, the extreme temperatures has caused some changes in graduation plans. Start time has been pushed back from 6 o'clock to 7:30 to battle the heat, while students will be provided with water for those battling the extreme high temperatures. While many spent the day dodging the sun, staying at home, or in one of Elmira's cooling stations, one crew came out during the severe weather to help the less fortunate.
On Mondays and Thursdays, we come out and hand out water and a hot meal and then a cold meal for them to have. Love doing it. All four of us feel like it's a calling from God that this is what we should do, and sometimes we'll give out about 50 meals.
Angels on Wheels comes out twice a week to help deliver food to the community. With the help of her friends and relatives, Candy finds joy in being able to help others during the tough weather.
It feels good. It feels really good to help somebody else out. It humbles you, and you appreciate what you have.
As the severe heat continues in the southern tier, weekend events such as Mural Fest and the dedication to John W. Jones will see people bringing extra fans and umbrellas to try and stay cool. Dante Brown, Rick Fox News, Elmira.